How to redeem birthday rewards on McDonald's. For this, go ahead and launch your McDonald's application, or you can even search for McDonald's on a web browser. Either way, you have to go ahead and order up the food that you want to purchase through McDonald's. To order, you can check out the homepage of McDonald's or even check out the specials that is from the rewards and deal section. Either way, you can go ahead and select any of the food item that you want to purchase. Once you are done selecting the items that you want to purchase, you have to go ahead and tap on the Order tab at the bottom of the page. From here, you can easily edit the quantity of the food or remove any of the food item that you no longer want to purchase. Then simply go ahead and tap on the Choose Payment option at the bottom of the page, or select the option of Order More if you want to order up more food as well. Last step is the payment, in which you can easily select the payment method, that is credit card, debit card, or any PayPal or Venmo. At the bottom, you should see this option of Add Promo Code, in which you can easily go ahead and tap on this edit bubble, then enter your birthday reward code right here in this dialog box. Then once you hit on the checkout option, you will be able to redeem your birthday reward on McDonald's. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.